Up in this bitch. This is my last race forever. I'm retiring. Prove it. Why was it saying that so much? You know who started that? Was somebody talking about a VTuber last night. How long is this song? This song is fucking 10 minutes long? How do you guys always sneak those in? Exclamation point play! You got 30 seconds! It's your last chance! This is a cool song. I don't think I've ever heard this. You know, the company I work for is named this. I think you can sneak it in a few times during a 10-minute song. Oh. You dropped 300 bits. Prove it. I can't stop saying it. What is wrong? Am I broken? Is this what it feels like to be juicy? Alright, guys. We got 24 in this last race. Mr. Murdoch. Let's go, baby. It's from Master of Puppets. Yeah, I saw that. I can't. I just hit buttons. Oh my god, somebody got yeeted already. Oh, title, same, dude. What's going on, y'all? Alright, so look, I'm going to let these songs play out through the Stream Raiders battle. That's 12 minutes. During that time, I'm going to get set up in Discord. I'm going to get Overwatch launched and all that. And then after the songs are done, we will go live on Ranked OW. I don't know, title. I've seen some conversations in this channel. So is spaghetti before it's wet. Ha ha! Yeah. I had a real life like manager say that shit to me. And I was like, honestly, it's kind of funny. I gotta upgrade and get my computer going. Dude, that'd be cool. So are Taco Bell shells before the meat gets it wet. Damn. So I gotta ask, you still chill with Irish and Panda? Yeah, I try to. They don't come in here that much anymore. I see them at bowling. Let's put it that way. I don't think Kinky Panda's been in here in probably like a month. And then Motive changed his name. He's Motive Cookie Monster now. Just resubbed today. We see Irish like once a week, maybe. But yeah, not much. Still playing Destiny, Mr. Murdoch. Also, Mustard Queen with the final fucking win. Let's go, boo. That's my Mustard Queen.
Was I not?
Nah, I haven't touched it in ages. No, me neither. Alright, y'all. We're going to give shotties for the top 3. That was the final race of the Grand Prix. Hello, I'm Tyler. I love cold brew coffee, reading, mustard, and playing PC games. I mostly stream WoW, but I plan on branching out into Diablo 4, Dead by Daylight, League, and other fun games. Don't check out Mustard Queen. She streamed today. She's going to be streaming again Thursday as well. Want to go hang out with her early evening-ish, dinner time-ish for the West Coast. My shit crashed too. I was so sad. Of course you can request a song. Absolutely. All right, guys.